4 keys to stress relief. Do you feel more stressed out than ever? Is your work life so hectic that you're starting to burn out? Do your friends always expect you to pull them out of their jams? If you're desperately seeking peace and relief from the hustle and bustle of your demanding life, the good news is that there are some simple strategies you can use to combat this stress. You'll never eliminate stress entirely. In fact, a life without stress would be pretty boring. The challenges of life often make it worth living. However, employing a few simple strategies to reduce stress will increase your peace and happiness, even in the midst of life's storms. Exercise. Working out can be a great way to relieve stress. Whether you go jogging, pump some iron, or hit the punching bag for several minutes, physical activity allows you to channel all the frustration you're holding inside and release it in a constructive manner. Music. Music has an incredible power to influence your mood. Sometimes, all it takes to gain peace and focus is a few minutes listening to music that soothes you inside. Different types of music affect your mood in different ways, and picking a style that suits your emotional need of the moment can dramatically lower the level of stress you feel inside. When you're feeling stressed, try upbeat music. When you're down in the dumps, you want something that'll perk you up and lift your spirits. Few things can lift your mood faster than music. Nutrition. If your body isn't getting the proper nutrition it needs, you're more likely to feel tired and stressed out. Meals and snacks are fuel for your body. Are you eating the types of foods that contribute positively to your health? Keep track of what you eat in a daily log. This simple step will make you more aware of what you're eating, which often leads to automatically making healthier choices, like these. Drink as much water as possible. Add as many fruits and vegetables as you can to your diet. Look for tasty, healthier alternatives to junk food. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Small changes in your diet can make a big difference in how you feel and how effectively you handle stress. Breathing. If you learn to control your breathing, you can control the level of stress you feel. Slow, deep breathing takes practice, but a little effort goes a long way. Once you learn to take slow, deep breaths from your belly, you'll have an unstoppable weapon against stress. Breathing plays a big part in our lives. Even beyond the obvious biological necessity, it comes into play when exercising, giving birth, easing fears, and even releasing stress. Deep breathing slows your heart rate down and relaxes your muscles. It also helps you to calm down mentally. Shallow breaths create a feeling of anxiety within you. Deep breaths fuel your body's cells with much needed oxygen and your mind with much needed confidence in the midst of the challenges you face. With these simple strategies, you can learn to practice peace wherever you are. Instead of being tossed about in the midst of your storms, you'll stand strong and handle challenges more effectively. Experience the confidence and inner peace you deserve by applying these simple stress management strategies today. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.